The port of Rotterdam is one of the largest ports in the world. The maritime assets add enormous value to ports, but due to the function these structures serve as well as their location in the marine environment, these assets are relatively costly to construct and maintain.
Every year we have the process of budgeting of the maintenance budget, and that's a peculiar process because we like to have a constant line of financing the maintenance.
So the Port of Rotterdam was looking for a tool to efficiently manage a portfolio of quay walls or other maritime civil engineering structures.
We looked for it on the market to buy a system like that what could help us do the asset management, but we didn't find it. So we finally chose to develop it ourselves with the help of our partners.
But how does it work? What do you have to do to make this system a reliable tool?
First of all, we measure the lifetime of a quay wall structure. The upper part mostly of concrete and the lower part mostly of steel. For the concrete we drill cores and we do an investigation on those cores, and from those investigations we can predict the remaining lifetime. For the steel we measure the thickness. From that thickness we can also make a prediction of the lifetime of the substructure. So then we have both the superstructure and the substructure, and from that we have a predicted lifetime.
So we start with the current conditions, but after that, with the use of one of our in-house tools, which is called Stadium, we help predict the future degradation of the quay wall. So we have a snapshot of the current conditions, but after that, putting it into perspective for future degradation. That's how we're able to provide to the Port of Rotterdam an expertise that will help them better manage the maintenance in time.
With the information gathered, the next step is to create the management application.
We make a risk matrix of the physical asset, in this case the quay wall, and with that risk matrix we introducing risk management. And through that risk matrix we look to failures and what kind of result is coming out of a failure. When there is a failure, what is that in case of reliability, availability, maintainability and safety for that asset?
So the maintenance measures with the highest risk will be done first, and then we go down on the list until the budget is run out or the budget is cut down, so we can leave out the measures with the lowest risk. I think this system will work in every port in the world because they all face the same problems. They have the concrete structures that will deteriorate, they have the steel structures that will corrode, and this tool helps in predicting when is the right time to intervene with the maintenance measures.
So KMS is a system to manage the maintenance of quay walls, but it is also capable to manage the maintenance of other types of waterfront assets or civil structures.